Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can host your AI generated React project on cPanel, and I'll show you everything step by step from the very beginning. So first of all, let's go and create a React.js project using AI. So here I'll open the anti-gravity, and here you can see we have an empty folder called React.js project. So here I'm going to give a prompt. I want to build a single page portfolio website for plumber using React.js, and I'll click here send, and it will first generate a plan. After that it will create our project. So this will take some time to build the project. Right now I'll just fast forward the video until the whole project creation is complete. So there you can see our project creation is complete. So right now let me just copy this, and if I now go to the browser, and so there you can see this is our website and it looks really great. Everything looks perfect. So right now let's go and host this React.js website to our cPanel. So for it, the first thing we need to do is that we need to go to our project location. So my project was over here. You can see React.js project. Inside it, it created a folder over here called Plumber Portfolio. So if we now go inside, there you can see there's a lot of folders and file over here. So after coming to the project location, we need to click at the top and we need to write over here cmd, then press enter. So here what you should do is that you should first run this command npm install, press enter. After that you need to run this command npm run build. And what it will do is that this command will create a folder over here. The folder name might be dist or build. Okay, so I'm just going to write this and press enter. So it will create a folder over here, and there you can see the folder name is dist. So for your case the folder name might be build, so doesn't matter. What you need to do is that you just need to zip this folder. So I'll just right click here, then click here compress to zip file. They can see this folder is now zip. After that, what you need to do is that you need to go to your cPanel, and in the cPanel you need to look for file manager. Just click on file manager, then from here you need to look for public underscore HTML over here, and here you can see public underscore HTML. You can click any of those. So I'll just click here and it will take you to a empty directory. So here you need to upload your zip file. So I'm going to click on upload, then click here select file, and right now we need to select our zip file. So here you can see React.js project, number portfolio, and we have the zip folder. So I'll just select this, then click here open. There you can see it is uploaded. So right now I'm just going to click here. So it will take us to the public underscore HTML folder directory. So right now we need to unzip this. So I'll just right click here, then click here extract, and we'll extract it directly inside public underscore HTML. So click here extract files and it will be done. So now we can just delete this zip file permanently. Then let's go inside this folder, and we have some file over here. So what we need to do is that we need to select everything from here. Just click here select all, it will select everything, then click here move, and we need to move it directly to the public underscore HTML. So click here move files and it will be done. So let's go to the public underscore HTML, and there you can see. So now we can just delete this zip folder without any issue, and it's done. So if we now go to our domain, here you can see this is my domain. So if I now just click on my domain, our website will be live, and there you can see. So now I can share this link with someone else and they can see my website. So yeah, this is how you can host your AI generated React project on cPanel. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.